So we're here today to honor Professor Fields for her ExCEL Award. She supports this school in so many ways. She is an ELA teacher, our department chair, our ESS coordinator, adolescent literacy model leader, racial equity committee member, JCTA rep, ALT SBDM member, a member of our 50-50 committee, our interim academic instructional coach, outside of school, a reverend, a chef, and probably 100 other hats as well.
She's constantly an inspiration and a reminder of how I can do more. So I appreciate her for that. And I also appreciate her for just always being somebody that I can talk to.
Your room for me is always like a safe place to go during school. If I ever just need to like let go, relax, anything, I know I can come to you and express how I'm feeling.
I love you and I appreciate you. I tell people, I told the world, that lady saved my life. She allows you to be yourself. She doesn't silence you. She shows you that there's a way that you can say and express exactly how you feel. When you are at your lowest, you know who you can call. She starts as Professor Fields, but by the time you leave her room the senior year, she is Mama Fields.
But it's my honor to award you the 2021 ExCEL Award. So congratulations, Ms. Fields.
Your golden apple from WHAS 11. Thank you so very much for all you do for the community.
It's my pleasure and my honor to present you the other half of the ExCEL Award, which is an award of $1,000 that we know will be used towards your students and to help you further all of your initiatives that you're achieving.
I may be one of the few teachers who've received the ExCEL Award whose student taught with the superintendent's mother. And so years and years ago, so she was my supervising teacher. So, but I would like to thank God and my family, my principal and his excellent team, all of my colleagues, my union, JCTA, and all of my students, past and present, for making me what I am today. I wouldn't be able to accept an award had I not been in award-winning company. So I'm very grateful for each and every one of you. Thank you so much to my community also for your support.